utterly butterly, delicious curry, loaded with fresh veggies. Let's make Veg Makhanwala. In a pan on heat, I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, I am adding 3 carrots cut into medium pieces, 1 small cauliflower cut into florets, 12 to 15 green beans and half a cup of green peas. Sauteing the veggies for a minute. Next goes in 1 capsicum cut into dices, half teaspoon of salt and 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. I am closing the lid and letting the veggies cook for 3 minutes. The veggies are done. Time to make the gravy. In a pan, I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, I am adding 8 cashews, 8 tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 inch ginger peas, 2 dried red chillies and 1 green chilli. Next, I am adding half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of water and closing the lid until the tomatoes soften. This will take around 5 minutes. Let's check. Tomatoes have mushed up. Now simply we have to let this cool down and then grind. What we will get is this smooth gravy base, which we will be simmering next. In a pan on heat, I am taking 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Once hot, I am adding 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 2 small green cardamom pods. Saute the spices for 1 minute. Into this goes in the gravy base. Next, to the gravy I am adding half a cup of water, a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix in and let the gravy simmer for a minute. Now, I am removing the big whole spices so that they do not come into mouth while biting into the curry. It's time to add the veggies to the gravy. Mix in and cook for a minute. Lastly, I am adding dried fenugreek leaves and 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. Mix. Rich and creamy Veg Makhanwala is ready. Time to serve. Pair it with naan or roti and enjoy a restaurant-style meal right at your home. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.